Understanding the phrase, jump high, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, jump high. This phrase may seem straightforward, but it's packed with nuances that can enrich your English communication. So, let's jump right in. Jump high is a phrase that combines two words, jump and high. Jump is a verb that means to push oneself off a surface into the air, and high is an adverb describing the extent or level of the jump. Together, they describe the action of leaping off the ground and reaching a significant height. It's often used to encourage someone in physical activities like sports or dance. Beyond its literal meaning, jump high can also be used metaphorically. In a figurative sense, it can imply striving for great ambitions or aiming to achieve significant success. For instance, when someone says, "You need to jump high to reach your dreams," they mean you should aim high and put in great effort to achieve your goals. There are several idiomatic expressions and phrases similar to jump high that convey the idea of striving for excellence or aiming high. Phrases like aim high, reach for the stars, and shoot for the moon are often used interchangeably with jump high in a metaphorical context. These phrases add variety and color to spoken and written English, especially when encouraging or motivating someone. In everyday conversation, jump high can be used both literally and figuratively. For example, literal, the athlete trained hard to jump high in the high jump competition. Figurative, if you want to succeed in your career, you have to jump high and seize every opportunity. Understanding the context is key to interpreting whether the phrase is used literally or figuratively. Thank you for watching our video on jump high. Remember, whether used literally or figuratively, this phrase is about aiming for greatness and putting in the effort to achieve it. We hope this video helps you understand and use the phrase, jump high, more confidently in your English conversations. Keep practicing, and always aim high in your language learning journey.